So this is going to be my last as a teenager and my birthday vlog because I turn 20 tomorrow. I don't know. I don't feel 20. I'm in my 20s tomorrow. I'm gonna be in my 20s. That's so weird. So I'm going to Orlando. Yeah. Hello vlog. I made it to my Orlando hotel. Here's our pool view. How am I gonna open it? Oh my god, wow.
Oh my god. Would you like to go outside?
Pool view, yeah. Almost fell. Wow. Okay. Here's my food. I got breadsticks. She got whatever that is. Chinese. Okay. We're going to wall crawl now. A place in Orlando to take photos. I'm gonna do a Target haul.
Oh, are we doing Target hauls, bitch?
Yeah.
We can do Target hauls.
So I got this shirt. It's like tie-dye and purple. I got this bra, cheetah print. I got a swimmy suit because I forgot to bring mine. I also went to Sephora in the mall. So I got a new concealer. It is the Beauty Wonder brand. And then I got, this is a free birthday gift I got because tomorrow's my birthday. And then I got a new foundation and it is a Sephora Clean brand. It's pool time now. I'm at the pool. Laser show. Oh, I jumped over the thing. This is my dinner outfit. Maybe I should tuck this in more. Gotta be in it. This is her outfit for dinner. Chicken tenders and fries steak. Hello everyone. I'm on the Orlando Eye. It's gonna be a while until we get up. So let's start the countdown. 58 minutes until I'm 20.
Your camera is so close to your fucking face.
58 minutes until I'm 20. Do you think they're watching us?
Special sunshine. Where?
Universal 100-acre resort center thriving.
3 minutes until my birthday. 2 minutes until my birthday. Wait, I feel like we need to wait the 2 minutes.
No.
That's the scariest thing I've ever seen. 1 minute until I'm 20. 1 minute until I'm 20.
Almost none of that made sense.
Why? I am leaving Orlando now. Goodbye.